Building and deploying custom applications using artificial intelligence capabilities is possible with PerfectApps. A solution available to use is ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. Before you can start using the OpenAI API, you must create an account on OpenAI and generate an API key. This tutorial will demonstrate creating a connection and action within the PerfectApps Connections dashboard. Log into your PerfectApps account and navigate to the Connections dashboard. Click the New button to create a new REST Web Services connection. In the Name field, enter a suitable, recognizable name. In the Service URL field, enter the URL shown. Click the Apply Changes button to save this new connection. Now that the connection to the OpenAI API is established, the next step is to create a new action to connect to the Create Chat Completion endpoint. This endpoint is used to create a chatbot conversation. In the newly created API connection, click the New Action button. You are taken to the action configuration screen. Here, specific details about the action will need to be provided. In the General section, Action Name field, provide a recognizable name for the action, such as Chat Completions. In the Type, select Post from the drop-down. Enter chat/completions without any spaces in the Service Details section and the Action Endpoint field. This changes the full service URL to include the endpoint. For the request type and response type, ensure that JSON is selected. Move to the Send Parameters section. Here, the send parameters for the API request will be set. Using the plus button, add 4 send parameters. For the first parameter, the name is authorization, with the service parameter name the same, but inside curly brackets, and the placement type is header. The second parameter is model, with the same service parameter name, and the placement type is body. The third parameter is messages, followed by an open and a closed square bracket, a period, and the word role. The service parameter name is the same, and the placement type is body. The fourth parameter is similar, but with the word content in place of role. Move to the Return Parameters section. Here, the return parameters for the API request will be set up using the autocomplete function and a sample response code. The sample response code can be obtained from the OpenAI documentation. Click the Autocomplete button at the bottom of the Return Parameters table. A new window will open asking for a REST Web Service sample response JSON. That's JavaScript object notation. Copy the sample response and paste it into the window and click OK. Click the Apply Changes button and see that the return parameters are populated based on the sample response. The connection and action are now ready to use in a PerfectApps application.